Alright guys, it's been a long weekend here. I did a lot. It was challenging. There was a lot of stuff I had to do with the Civic, but here it is. It took me a long time to get it here. I finally got it out of my parents' house, my brother's house actually. Got it back home. There's a few things I need to do it still, but more stuff to come. Yeah, how do you guys like the gold, the blue on gold or bronze look? I think these wheels turned out perfect, a lot better than what I thought. And again, these are I just spray painted them, so really good. Alright, so today the plan is I'm going to be putting this GSR seat, which there was a rip right here and I patched it back up, into the Civic. These are the OEM Em1 seats, which there is absolutely no bolsterings on the side at all. The GSR seats over here, they do have a lot more bolstering on the side. It's a lot better. I feel like they are gonna be a good fit. So I'm gonna show you guys the start and the ending. Alrighty, catch you later. I got the seats installed. This was a lot. It took a lot longer than I thought, but here are the results. It looks a lot better in my. Yeah, these are GSR, integra GSR seats. The bolstering is a lot better, so it looks pretty good. I'm not expecting, you know, the best seats in the world. They do have some stains on it, but I do have a carpet cleaner. There is cigarette burns, but again, I'm not expecting the most out of it. These rails were kind of rusty, so I did sand them down and spray painted them quick. Such a quick job. So here they are. See how they look. They look decent. They do match the interior. I do like them. So more to come. Today we are going to be working on the Civic. I got the Civic all apart. I'm actually doing a headlight restoration. It's a turtle wax headlight lens restore. So I want to double check. I want to see if this actually comes out good. I taped this off with masking tape, so in case I don't fan anything. I took the bumper off. This side is pretty bad too. So let's see the before and after. So let's see how it goes. There's a lot of fog. You look really bad. So hopefully this turtle wax does a good job. And let's see how it does. I will come back with you guys with an update. All right, so we are back. So I did one side of the turtle wax headlight lens restorer, and oh my god, I am so ecstatic. This is ridiculous of how good this product is. It's only $10. I hear some people bought it for $8 or something like that, but oh my god, this is crazy. Okay, look. So I haven't done this side yet, but I just want to get a quick comparison. That's what it looked like on that side. Very nasty. And boom, Look at that. That is ridiculous. I'm so happy about that. And it's this product right here, Turtle Wax. It was only $10. And again, some places I heard they sold it for $8, but still $5 a side. That is such a good deal. I can't believe I didn't do this before. Look at that. You can just tell how nice that looks. Look at that. I'm gonna continue on, do the left side over here, and then I will give you guys an update again, and we'll go from there. Are back. So finally, I got both of them done, the passenger and the driver's side, and it looks phenomenal, awesome. I'm so happy about this product, and well, let's have you guys see for yourself. It's still in the curing process. That looks totally different than what it did before. Looks amazing. Oh, nice that headlight looks. So I have to put this all together. There's still a lot of stuff to do with the Civic today, but I'll keep you guys updated, and again, see you later.